Hi, I'm Lucas. When I first graduated from university, I had no idea what the next step in my career would be. The constant rejections and unappealing work cultures made me move further away from my goal. I see the same patterns in young candidates today, filled with enthusiasm but directionless and confused about their next career move. Thankfully, Wiggli came to my rescue. Its SaaS-based solutions gave me the best career opportunities right at my fingertips. With Wiggli's lifelong career support, I landed my first job, multiple freelance gigs, and the dream HR manager position I have today. When I first started as an HR manager, the recruitment process in my company was also complex and outdated. There simply wasn't a single network or marketplace that could successfully match companies and candidates on one platform. That's when I introduced Wiggli to our stakeholders. Its innovative tools like recruitment marketing, vendor management, freelance management, and applicant tracking allowed us to have a global strategy and to optimize our recruitment processes to find and retain the best talents. With Wiggli on our side, we built our employer brand, eliminated recruitment hassles, and found the best people to work with and grow our business. Wiggli values people, passion, dedication, and innovation. That's why I encourage aspiring candidates and businesses to discover Wiggli for a seamless recruiting experience and an amazing career.